Captain Wilbur here with HobbyCaptain.com. At HobbyCaptain.com, you will find the world's largest selection of free paper airplane patterns. In this clip I've got today for you another world record paper airplane. Now, if you're sitting there and thinking, what is that? The world's smallest, dumbest paper airplane? No, shame on you for thinking that. I wouldn't bring you the world's smallest, dumbest paper airplane. Well, I might, but it's not this one. This one is in fact the world's oldest paper airplane. See, it was found back in 2012 during repair work on St. Anne's Chapel. That building had been a schoolhouse and was built roughly 1350 and existed as a schoolhouse until 1910 when it was converted into a chapel. During its time as a schoolhouse, kids lost toys, items, other fun stuff in the floorboards, in the walls, and in the rafters of the ceiling. Well, among those, James May actually went in there and pulled out a small paper airplane. This is a scale replica of that paper airplane. That paper airplane had to have been folded somewhere in the era before 1910. I'm going to credit it to 1910 just because I can't get it actually figured out when that was. So I'm declaring that the world's oldest paper airplane. If you think I'm right, I want to hear about it in the comments. If you think I'm wrong, I want to hear about it in the comments. And if you think you have one that's older, I definitely want to hear about it in the comments, and maybe we'll do one on that one too. Well, let me go show you how to fold this one, and thanks for watching. Let's take a quick look at this pattern before we begin. Now, as you'll notice, there are actually 8 patterns on one page. So what you'll do is you'll just take your scissors out, cut one of these patterns out right on that thin dotted line. Now, I know this is going to be hard to see, so I'll try to make sure I am keeping my hands out of the way and letting you see what's going on. But keep in mind, this is just the Dart or the classic paper airplane, sometimes called the Concorde, only smaller. Okay, so 5 steps. First step is a crease down the middle, and that crease just means that that you fold along the line and then you unfold on that line. Okay, step 2, we'll just fold in to start the nose, and I'm going to do this. I'm going to try to do this one from the printed side. And the only difficulty I have found with folding this paper airplane is that my fingers are big and the paper is small. So there is step 2 and step 3. Let's fold right along line 3. Get the other side of step 3 too here. So here's what it looks like from this side. Here's what it looks like from this side. Now step 4, we'll just fold that in half. Step 5 is going to start the wings here. And so I'm going to just try to see if I can't just fold along that line without any assistance here. If you want, you can use a straight edge to help you with this, but you can probably do it without it. Okay, and the other side. In this one, what I'm going to do instead of trying to fold along the line is I'm going to try to fold it so that it's symmetric to the other side. So I'm just going to try to line the two up. All right, now the unnumbered step is just going to be trying to look at this thing and try to make sure that both sides are even. Kind of crumple, give the edges here a little bit of a curl up. Same thing with this side. And then just give the back of the plane just a little bit of a pinch up. Now, when you fly this plane, watch what it does. If you want that like nice smooth flight, you're going to have to pay attention and really try to figure out what is throwing off your plane. If you need to bring one side up a little bit, or if you need to bring one side down, if you need to make it flatter, etc. This plane can actually fly really well. If you think that this isn't the world's oldest paper airplane, and you think I'm wrong, I want to hear about it in the comments. If you think I'm right, I want to hear about it in the comments. If you know for sure and you have an example of an older paper airplane, I definitely want to hear about it in the comments, and we can make another paper airplane on that one. Well, go give it a try. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.